Welcome to Home of Math, Class 6, Exercise 3.3 Integer. We are going to solve exercise question. Let's start. Question 1. Which of the following is this additive inverse expression of minus a? First, we have to know what is additive inverse expression. Look, in mathematics, the additive inverse of an element x denoted minus x. It means x will become what? Minus x. Similar, 1 it will become minus 1. Therefore, here is minus a. So, minus a become plus a, just inverse. Now, which of the following is the sum of additive inverse number with 12? So 12 and then sum and then additive inverse, it means minus 12, right? So we know this is 12 plus and minus, once we multiply it will become minus, and here is 12. So 12 minus 12, it will be 0. So our answer is number C, 0, right? Now question, here is a blank, minus 15 equals to minus 10. What is the number in blank position? So look, here is a blank and minus 15 equals to minus 10. So what is the result? We have to subtract something, and minus 15, suppose if we consider this is x, so we can write x equals to, here is minus 10, and once we side change this one from left side to right side, it will become plus 15, right? Here is minus 10 and here is plus 15. So 15 minus 10, it will be 5. It means 5 minus 15, it will be minus 10, right? So our answer is minus 5. Okay, now answer question 4 and 5 using the information below. The information is minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 3 integers. What is integers? Integers including all number except fraction, right? So the question is, the sum of the additive inverse of the second number with the first number is. What does mean? The sum of additive inverse. It means, look, of the second number with the first number. So first number is minus 7, and we will sum of the additive inverse second number. Second number is minus 8. So we will sum, and minus 8 become plus 8 because inverse. So the result is minus 7 plus 8 equals to 1. So where is 1? Number C is a 1. Number 5. If the sum of the additive inverse of first and third number is added to the second number, it becomes, so additive inverse first and third. So first is 7, so 7 become plus 7, and sum third number which is minus 9 become plus 9. So this is 16. Okay, then 16 is added with the second number. We will add, so 16 add with second number is minus 8. So this 16 plus and minus is a minus, then 8, 16 minus 8 equals to 8. So this 8, what is the similarity? Look, here is result is 8. So number A out, because here is mentioned A less than minus 15, but 8 should be greater than any kinds of minus. Therefore, and here is, look, number C, 97. 97 should greater than what? 8. But number D, A less than minus 97, but it's impossible. 8 is a plus and it should get any kinds of minus number. It means number B. Okay, so suppose 8 is a, it means A greater than minus 97. Number 6, if A equals to 45 minus 11 and B equals to 57 plus minus 4, so what is the result? So we can find out. A equals to 56, is it right? A equals to, here is a 45 minus then minus 11. So we can write 45, this minus and this minus become plus 11. So 45 plus 11 is a 56. So number 1 is right. Then B, what is this? B equals to 57 plus then minus 4. So 57 plus and minus is a minus, then 4. So 57 minus 4 is a 53. But here is minus 53. So the answer is wrong. And number 3 is A minus B equals to 3. So look, A minus B. A we got 56 and B we got 53. So minus, the result is 3. So here is 3. So answer is okay. So our right answer is 1 and 3, which is number B. Okay, I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. Number 7, you have to think very carefully. Here is in the marketplace below, here is 0 and the arrow are in a right side. It means plus. So what does mean? It means non-negative integer. We know once any number line start from 0 and plus right 1 2 anything in right side including 0, it's an integer. So this is non-negative integer. It means no minus, but including 0, it means non-negative integer. All prime numbers, yes, once you mark like this, you will get 2, 3, 5, all the numbers are prime. Therefore, you can tick mark this one. And also even number. So 0 to plus infinity, here is even, odd, prime, everything belong. Therefore, all even numbers also right. So the answer is all okay. Therefore, number D. Next question is very important. Look, answer question 8 and 9 using the following information. Here is, this is a roof, okay, and in middle portion is a ground floor, and below ground floor is a go down. Look, ground floor mentions 0, like this one, this is 0. In plus is a roof and minus go down. Therefore, this is a minus portion and this is plus portion, right? So we can say what type of number is 1 that represent the ground floor. It means this is 0. So this is non-negative. Okay, the answer is non-negative. Now going up 3 stairs, it means upper place. So it will be plus 3, and then move down 5 stairs. So minus 5. So what will be the result? Plus 3 minus 5, it should minus 2. So answer is minus 2. Okay, I hope you cleared this one. Now number 10, it's a very simple thing. 35 minus 20 is what? This is 15. Okay, 72 minus 90, it should 90 minus 72 is 18, but 1990 sign is bigger, therefore this is minus. Number C, minus 15, and then here is minus and minus 18, so minus and minus plus and 18, the result is what? 3. This is number C. Number D, minus 20 and then minus 13, it will be 33, but should minus. Okay, this is minus 33, and here is 23 and then minus and minus 12, minus minus means plus 12, it means 35, so the result is 35. Look, minus 32 and here is minus minus 40, it means minus and minus plus 40, the answer is 8. Okay, I hope to clear this one. Now next one, it's a very interesting thing. Fill in the blank with less, greater or equal sign. So we can do very carefully. Minus 3 and plus minus 6, so plus and minus, it will become minus. So minus 3 and minus plus minus 6, it will be minus 3 minus 6, and then this box here is minus 3 and minus plus 6. Look, this one become minus 9, right? This one become minus 9 and this one become plus 3. So which one is bigger? Any plus number, any big minus number will be less. Therefore, which one is greater? Plus 3 is a greater. So we should make sign like this. Okay, then minus 21 minus and minus 10, so we can write this one is become A, and now B we can write here B. This is minus 21 and here is minus and minus, it means plus 10, then box, and then minus 31 and then plus and minus, it means minus 11. So this one is minus 11, then box, minus 31 and minus 11, it will be minus 42, right? So what will be the answer? So the answer is, which one is big, minus 11 or minus 42? Like this is 0, here is minus 1, here is minus 2, here is minus 3. So once you go left side more and more, you will become decrease. Therefore minus 11 is larger than minus 42, right? I hope you cleared this one. So this one sign is like this one sign like this. Here is 45 minus and minus, it means plus 11. So this one is 45 plus 11, 45 plus 11, and here is 57 and here is plus and minus minus 4. So 45 plus 11, it's a what? It's a 56, and here is 53. So which one is larger? The larger is 56. So the sign is like this. Here is minus 25 and here is minus and minus 42. So minus 25 minus and minus plus 42, and here is minus 42 minus and minus plus 25, right? So what will be the bigger? Minus 25 plus 45, it will be what? It will be 17, and here is minus 42 plus 25, it will be minus 17. Therefore plus 17 is larger. The sign like this. Okay, now fill in the blank. Here is minus 8 plus, you have to put a number, after that the result will become 0. So it's a very interesting thing. Here is minus 8, if you mention 8, so minus 8 plus 8, it will be 0. Okay, and here is 12 plus minus 12, so plus minus means minus, 12 minus 12 is a 0. Here is 13 plus, and here is 10. So what will be the answer? So if you mention here is minus 3, so look, 13 plus minus 3. So 13, this plus and minus minus, and 3, the result will be 0. So here is minus 13. Similar, here is minus 4 and here is minus 8. So we need more minus 8, right? So answer is minus 8. And here is blank and minus 15. So we need here is plus 5, because 5 minus 15 is a minus 10. Very easy. Now find the value. So we can write this one is here 13a minus 7, and here is minus 8, and here minus and minus plus 25. So minus and minus 8, it means minus 15 plus 25, it will be 10, right? So the first answer is 10. Number B, here is minus 13, then plus 32, then minus 8, then minus 1. So look, this is 32, we can write like this, and here is minus 13 and minus 8, it will be minus 21, and minus 1, it means minus 20 what 2. So the answer is 10. Okay, number B, answer is 10. Next one, this is minus 7, this is minus 8 and minus 90. So before plus, but we can write minus 7, minus 8, minus 90. So the answer is what? Answer is, we can write this one 105 and shoot minus, because here everything is minus. Now 50, look, 50 minus and minus, it means plus 40, again minus and minus plus 2. So the result is what? The result is, here is 40. So 50 plus 40 is a 90, plus 2 is a 92. This is our result. Okay, very interesting and very easy. And today's chapter, last math, is a 14. We will start now. Minus 3, 6, 9 are three integers. Put the sign greater, less or equal in between minus 3 and 6. So this is very easy. Number A, first part, minus 3 and 6. 6 is a greater than minus 3, so we can write like this. Next one, 9 and minus 3. So one is 9, another one is minus 3. So 9 is larger than minus 3, so we can write like this. Okay, and then next one, so we can consider this one is 1, this one is 2, and this one is 3. So minus 3, then plus 6, and here is 9 minus 6. So look, minus 3 plus 6, the result is 3. 9 minus 6, the result is 3. Therefore it should equal. Okay, the answer is equal. In blank side, it should equal. Okay, so number A done. Determine the value, number B, which is minus 3 plus minus 6 plus 9. So minus and minus, it should plus, this 3 plus and minus minus, it means 6 and plus 9. So look, plus 3 plus 9, it will be 12, and here is minus 6, the result is 6. Okay, very easy. Number C, using number line, determine the sum of minus 3 and 6 and difference of 9 and 6. This means we should use a number line. Look, using the number line, determine the sum of minus 3 and 6. It means minus 3 and plus 6. So first we should draw minus 3. So this is 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is a minus 3, right? And then what? Plus 6. Now look, minus 3 and plus 6, the result would be 3. So now check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first one we had make this one what? This is minus 3, and now 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. The here it means this is what? Plus 6. So what is the result? Result is this one. It means plus 3. This is our answer. Okay. Now determine another thing, difference of 9 and 6. 9 and 6. So what is the difference? Difference means subtraction. So 9 minus 6. The main theme is 9 minus 6. It should be 3. So first 9. It means here is a plus 9. Now difference. So plus 9 means here is. This is plus 9. Now minus 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means here. This is. Okay. So what is the result? This is plus 3. This is our result. So very easy. We are determined by number line. So it's also very important in examination hall. So be careful about thing. And after this we are trying to finish all the exercise of chapter 3. It means 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Everything is done. Thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe my channel if you think these videos are helping you. Thank you.